Yeah, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Lake Jackson, Texas. Got to get some new tires today.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
Yep, got to get some new tires put on the trailer. Going to finish up fixing the problem that I had yesterday, which was that the body of the trailer separated from where it was attached and it was coming down. So, and it was doing it more on the right side than the left side. You can see that video right there if you want to check that out before you watch this one. But anyway, right now I'm headed over to get some tires and come back here, spend the evening with my friends, and we'll be calling that a day. Tomorrow I'm heading out. So let's go. Well, I'm here at Brazosport Tire in Sports, and they're getting my tires done right now. Yeah, let's go see what they're doing with my tires. Putting a new valve stem and everything, doing a good job. Brand new tire out. Look how much space I got in between there now. Good ½ inch. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah. What's your name?
Roy Mendoza, and you?
Roy, Rex Covington.
Okay.
Thanks. You're doing an awesome job. I appreciate it. This is the second set of tires for the back. I appreciate it, man.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes.
Awesome job here from Brazosport Tires. Awesome. Not sure why they have the pig out front. Maybe I'll ask. Well, I got the pig story. They didn't want me to record it. But they said Dave here, that owner or works here, I'm not sure about that, was riding his bicycle down the street and he saw this pig in the yard. And he told the lady, he says, hey, if you ever want to get rid of this pig, I'll take it. Well, the lady got old and went to a nursing home. She told her son to make sure that Dave down here got the pig. And they went down there and picked it up and they put the pig out here in front. So that's how the pig got here. I love stories like that. And I don't think he has a name. Gonna go get some barbecue with Doug. Okay. One more. This one here is level, but I'm going to put one here anyway. It looks like it's knocked this back, the spring did. And this has dug into the frame. I don't know what to do about that. It's done the same thing back there too. I'm going to figure that out later. This right here, it's doing the same thing on the other side. It's digging, the spring is digging into the frame. Oh, got that part done. Now I get the trim on the other side. Well, back on the side of the jack to put the trim on. Once the trim's on, we'll do it back here and up there. And we should be done with that stuff. And then I need to get some Flex Seal later. Flex Seal the hell out of it. Maybe in a drier area. That's not so humid.
Humid.
Okay.
Well, let me see the trim piece and I will cut this stuff to length.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, all you have to do is like lay it in there.
Yeah, I know.
He knows. I don't have to tell him.
I feel like it bit, did it?
No, it didn't. Not at all.
Okay. Well, you're not.
I'm not 100% on these here.
Okay.
By the way, just let you know.
This one should be good.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's no good up.
That felt good. These others,
Not so much.
not so much. Oh yeah, that one got a bite. These three did really better than
The first three.
the first three.
Okay.
Take a look. Not real satisfied with these three screws. These here had a pretty good bite back here. So,
Here, let me put another screw at the front.
oh okay. And I don't even know if that's going to be any good either. That wood is just not a 100%. We only have 2 more screws in here.
Really? No, I didn't.
I thought we had a lot more than that.
I think we just got like 8. I thought we had more than that too.
But we had more than that.
We've only used 4.
I know. Well, look.
What'd you do with them?
I didn't do anything with them. We got 2 there. Right there.
Are you saying you got screwed?
I got screwed. I got screwed. Screwed and re-screwed. Alright. Well, this ain't gonna work. This is a short piece. We're gonna try to get it where there's screws at each end.
Yeah, so we might have to cut it off twice.
Okay.
We'll get a screw there, and we'll put another hole there.
I feel like the Wicked Witch of the West. I'm melting. I'm melting! Man, you're doing that like you've done it before.
Only once.
Whatever. Alright, we're okay there. We're done. For the time being.
I am off like a dirty shirt.
Yay, we're off like a dirty shirt. Just have to back the motorcycle trailer deck.
Yes, sir. Going down. Stop.
Got it.
Got it.
These are all Doug's toys right here, by the way. His bigger toys. Let me go find a dustpan. This is a dustpan. Arr, 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 arr. Look at that. That thing's huge. That's what she said. That, I'm going to put the camera down. That thing is huge. It's bigger than my head. Look at this dustpan. Yeah, they use this at Sasquatch's home. I'm here with 2 of my best friends, bestest friends, besties friends. So y'all got something interesting to say?
Beware of Rex. Yeah, beware of Rex. That's why.
Keeper of Rex. Let's see that.
Beware of Rex.
Oh, beware.
Donate to diabetes through
LoneStarWriter.com. No, or writingforacure.com.
Writingforacure.com. I like that one even as well.
Because all the money goes straight to the American Diabetes Association. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
These are 2 awesome guys. So it's good to spend time with friends. I'm showing off this camera to Jeff. And that is Jeff. It's called a DJI Osmo Pocket. The guys that make the drones, DJI, they make this. And it's pretty darn cool.
That's my brother's blood. This one.
All right. Damn it! There it is. Hi. I'm all shadowed out here. You can't see me. Wonder if you could see that. Tools. Yeah. 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 Oops.
Lone Star Ride.